Identify the graph of the equation as a parabola, circle, ellipse, or hyperbola. 6x squared plus 4y squared is equal to 12. In this case, both variables are squared, so we're either dealing with an ellipse or a hyperbola, or a circle, which is a special case of an ellipse. We'll rewrite this equation so that we have 1 on the right side, so that we can better identify what the graph of this equation is. So we divide both sides of the equation by 12, and we get x squared over 2 plus y squared over 3 is equal to 1. Since we have a plus sign, the graph of this equation is an ellipse. Since we have a plus sign on the left side, we're dealing with an ellipse, and since the denominators of x squared and y squared, or in other words, the coefficients of x squared and y squared, are different, this is an ellipse and not a special case of a circle.